Next, we talk about the charts. Excel provided 10 categories of charts, such as column, line, pie, bar. So in this class, we'll cover those charts. For other charts, like the stock, like scatter, you can explore, and like say for the surface is for 3D. So in the future, you may feel interested. To demonstrate, we need to use this file. You can download this file, the data file from D2L, from data file for text Excel 4 tutorial, this file. First, we talk about the pie chart. So let's go to overview and goes down. You can see we have data here. In this example, we have a company produce wine. We have 6 categories. Then those are production goals. So we want to present this information in a chart. First, select the data. Don't forget we need to include the title because we need title for our chart. Then go to Insert, Recommended Charts. Excel recommends 3 charts for this data. We choose this one, pie chart, and drag it to here, align with the grind. And also another way to do this is hold the Alt key, ALT, the key, then drag the corner. Okay. So you can see here we have the title for the chart. This is the title for this. We call this a data series. So this is the title for data series. Here we call those as legend for 6 category. But a chart, we can easily say this is the biggest one. This is the second one. So if we, let's move a little here. If we select the chart, we have chart tools. We also have 3 signs here. This one is called the chart element. We have title or not, or the position of title. We have data labels. We can have different one in the center or inside, outside, or data all call out. We use like this one. We have legend. Legend, we can decide the position. Let's put it on the right side. The second one is about the style and color. Excel provides, you can see the number 12, style 12, totally 12 styles. You can choose any one you like. For the color, just give you some options. You can decide a different set of color, depending on your personal preference. This filter. So in this example, we have 6 categories. How about that if we only want to compare 3 categories? Then we don't need to include 6, we only include 3. Then click the apply. Then we only have 3. Okay, let's get it back. So that's the 3 tool. Pile only can use for one data series. Like in this example, we cannot use pie because we have 2 data series. So in this example, this data we need to use a column. Let's do that again. First, select the data with the title and go to Insert again. Click the recommended charts. So you can see those are Excel recommendations. We choose the first one and drag it. Again, on this side, we just hold the Alt key and drag somewhere. We just have 2 charts. Delete one. Okay, move to here and hold the Alt key, drag it. Okay. For the color, we click it we have more chart elements. We can have axis title. You can say here axis title. We can have a data label. We have a table. We have a grid lines. Look at here. In this example, we already have vertical, horizontal axis. We also can put the vertical line, where those are called major. If we select the minor, you can say we have very small line here, and click it. So the major, just for the, like I said, the major from is a gap $5. If we select the minor, maybe just the gap is $1. You can decide which one you want. And we have certainly have legend, the same. We have other kind of thing. And here we can choose a different style again. Next, we can choose the style. Like a style, how about the style 8? And color again. So we can have a filter. For the chart, we can change the axis. Just to select the axis. Okay, let's choose a different style so you can see it more clear. Okay, use this one. Okay, so if we select the axis, right button of the mouse, we can choose format axis. So you will see this, we call this as a panel. And we can change, here the minimum is 0. 0 is here. The maximum is 30. We can change the, we can minimum, like say, negative $10. We can do that, no problem. So we start from negative 10. We also can change the unit. The current unit is $5. We can change it to like, how about $10? 10. You will start from 10, 0, 10, 20, 30. The minor just remember the minor for the element, the grid line, we can have minor here. So we can decide the minor, the unit for the minor. Okay, that is for the axis. We also can choose for the data series. Here, right button, format data series. For data series, you can see here we have data, we have 2 data series. We can adjust the overlap. If we move this way, the overlap 33%. If the left side, we have some space. And here is the gap, here is the gap. So if we increase the gap, you can see the gap. We can reduce the gap. So that's for the column. We also can format the chart. You can see here we can have for the chart option. This one is for fill. We can fill some color, like the solid color. You can decide which color you prefer. Something like this. This is for the color or the border. This is for some shadow. The 3D, you can say you can choose some shadow is for this chart. And this just for the size, some kind of thing. That is for the pie and the column.